The Netherlands is often referred to as Holland, but Holland is actually just a region within the country. The Netherlands is known for its flat landscape, with about a quarter of the country being below sea level. The Dutch are some of the tallest people in the world, with an average height of around 6 feet for men. The Netherlands is a constitutional monarchy, with King Willem-Alexander currently reigning. Amsterdam is the capital city of the Netherlands and is famous for its picturesque canals and historic architecture. The Dutch are known for their cycling culture, with more bikes than people in the country. Dutch cuisine features dishes such as stroopwafels, bitterballen, and herring. The Netherlands is a major producer of tulips, with the famous Keukenhof gardens showcasing millions of blooms each spring. Dutch artist Vincent van Gogh is one of the most famous painters in history, with many of his works housed in museums throughout the Netherlands. The Dutch language is closely related to German and English, with many citizens speaking multiple languages fluently. The Netherlands has a strong tradition of windmills, which were historically used for tasks such as water drainage and milling flour. The Dutch East India Company was one of the world's first multinational corporations and played a major role in global trade during the 17th and 18th centuries. The Netherlands is known for its progressive social policies, including legalized euthanasia, same-sex marriage, and a robust social safety net. Dutch people celebrate King's Day on April 27 each year, marking the birthday of King Willem-Alexander with street parties and parades. The Hague is home to the International Court of Justice, the principal judicial organ of the United Nations. Rotterdam is the largest port in Europe and the third largest in the world, handling millions of tons of cargo each year. The Dutch are avid football, soccer, fans, with the country boasting a strong tradition of success in the sport. The Netherlands is a global leader in water management, with the famous Delta works helping to protect the country from flooding. Dutch design is celebrated for its simplicity, functionality, and innovation, with influential designers such as Gerrit Rietveld and Hella Jongerius hailing from the Netherlands. The Dutch Golden Age, spanning the 17th century, was a period of great prosperity for the Netherlands, with artists such as Rembrandt and Vermeer producing masterpieces during this time. The Netherlands is one of the top exporters of agricultural products in the world, including dairy, flowers, and vegetables. Dutch people are known for their direct communication style, which can sometimes be perceived as blunt by people from other cultures. The Dutch royal family has ties to the House of Orange-Nassau, which has been the ruling house of the Netherlands since the early 19th century. Amsterdam's red light district is famous for its legalized prostitution and cannabis cafes, drawing tourists from around the world. The Netherlands has a strong tradition of tolerance and multiculturalism, with people from diverse backgrounds living harmoniously in the country. Dutch cheese, such as Gouda and Edam, is renowned for its quality and flavor, with cheese markets like Alkmaar attracting visitors from far and wide. The Anne Frank House in Amsterdam is a museum dedicated to the Jewish diarist Anne Frank, who hid from the Nazis during World War II. Dutch universities are known for their high-quality education, with programs taught in English attracting students from around the world. The Netherlands is one of the founding members of the European Union and the Eurozone, using the euro as its currency. Dutch colonialism once spanned the globe, with territories in Asia, Africa, and the Americas under Dutch rule during the 17th and 18th centuries. The Dutch healthcare system is known for its high quality and universal coverage, with a focus on preventive care and patient well-being. The Dutch national flag features 3 horizontal stripes of red, white, and blue, symbolizing courage, purity, and loyalty. The Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam is home to a vast collection of Dutch art and history, including masterpieces by Rembrandt, Vermeer, and Van Gogh. Dutch architecture is characterized by its emphasis on light, space, and functionality, with iconic buildings such as the Cube Houses and the Film Institute. The Netherlands is a major hub for international business, with Amsterdam serving as the country's financial center and hosting numerous multinational companies. Dutch literature has produced acclaimed authors such as Anne Frank, Herman Koch, and Harry Mulisch, with many works translated into multiple languages. The Dutch national anthem, Wilhelmus, is one of the oldest anthems in the world and dates back to the 16th century. The Netherlands has a rich maritime history, with explorers such as Abel Tasman and Willem Barents venturing to distant lands in search of new trade routes. Dutch painters such as Piet Mondrian and Karel Appel were pioneers of abstract art, influencing movements like De Stijl and Cobra in the 20th century. The Dutch love their bicycles, with over 35,000 kilometers of dedicated cycle paths crisscrossing the country and making it easy to get around on 2 wheels. The Dutch national football team has a long-standing rivalry with Germany, with matches between the two nations drawing intense interest and passion. Dutch cuisine features a wide range of traditional dishes, including erwtensoep, split pea soup, pannenkoeken, pancakes, and stamppot, mashed potato and vegetable dish. The Netherlands is a global leader in sustainable energy, with wind farms and solar panels helping the country to reduce its carbon footprint and combat climate change. Dutch fashion designers such as Iris van Herpen and Victor and Rolf are known for their avant-garde creations and innovative approach to design. The Netherlands is home to the Van Gogh Museum, which houses the largest collection of artworks by Vincent van Gogh in the world. Dutch people love their coffee, with cafes serving up a wide variety of specialty brews and delicious pastries to enjoy with your cup of joe. The Dutch have a tradition of gezelligheid, which roughly translates to coziness or conviviality, and involves spending time with loved ones in a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The Netherlands has a rich tradition of folk music, with genres like levenslied, life song, and nederpop, Dutch pop, reflecting the country's diverse cultural influences. Dutch festivals such as King's Day, Carnival, and Liberation Day are celebrated with enthusiasm and joy, with music, dancing, and delicious food on offer for all to enjoy. The Dutch are known for their love of licorice, with a wide variety of flavors and textures available for those who enjoy this chewy treat. The Netherlands is home to a thriving creative industry, with artists, designers, filmmakers, and musicians making their mark on the global stage.